Before we get out of here, though, I think it's very big to show what we done. Social media growth over the last 365 days. We started this journey, right? About 365 days with all this posting currently and just the new marketing plan. I just want to share something with y'all. Some of the numbers that we done in the last 365 days with all this posting going live. I just want to share this with y'all. Excuse me. Instagram post 1,888. We got over 519,528 views over Instagram in 1 year, in the last 365 days. So I want to shout y'all out. I want to shout y'all out. That's big. Shout y'all out, because that ain't me viewing me. That's y'all viewing me. I want to shout. Thank y'all. Thank Instagram. Thank y'all. Thank you, Instagram. So we posted 1,888 times. And how I did this, I took all the reports from all my social media posts, put them all into ChatGPT, got it to run a report for me to show me what it is that that what we did. So again, and I wish that I could somehow have this up here. I could. I just don't feel like putting y'all in my business. And, let me see. I know how to do it. So, but moving right along. 519,528 views in Instagram over a 365 day period. Shout out Instagram again, man. That's crazy. 31,368 interactions. Instagram. We still popping it on here. Oh, hey. We ain't done no switching of the platform yet. Not just yet. We ain't done no switching of the platform just yet. 31,368 interactions on Instagram in a 365-day span. Thank you. TikTok. This ain't even 365 days, TikTok. We started this in February when we got to El Paso, man. Let me tell you, man. Something's wrong with your boy. This is just what I'm going to start there. Something's wrong with your boy. He has an insane work ability. That's what I realized when I ran these numbers. I got to check myself in. Like when we was talking about that care, this is the definition of care. Like these numbers showed me. These numbers showed me. So check this out. These numbers showed me, like, when you care, this is what you do. My stats like a movie credit. I lie. But for real, let me get back to reading these stats. TikTok. We started around February, middle, second week. 780 TikTok posts since February. 130. Let's just say it like this: 100,000. 134 views on TikTok. Give it up, TikTok. TikTok. Shout y'all out, TikTok. Big Talk. That's what we're gonna call it. Big Talk. It's Big Talk. Gotta show Big Talk. Cause we couldn't make it without Big Talk. We wouldn't be who we are without Big Talk. Shout out Big Talk. Y'all see what y'all did? Y'all see what y'all did, Big Talk. Look at that. I got the cursor right there for you. 780 posts. 134,000 views, man. TikTok, appreciate you, gang. Shout out TikTok, man. We ain't done with TikTok. My fault. Over that time frame, 629 followers over that time frame. So that's big for me. I appreciate each one of y'all followers. Love y'all for the support. And we got some more today. We got some. All these numbers is different technically today. But we're gonna keep it right on long. Keep it right on long. We almost done. We're gonna do this and yeah. YouTube, you up next. YouTube, we posted 654 times in the last 365 days. YouTube, uploaded 654 posts, uploads. That's big, man. In that time frame, we got 25,835 views. Now, y'all want to know why that's so big to me? Because my total viewer number on YouTube, 33,000 and some change. So in the last 365 days, we got 25,000 and plus out of 33,000 plus. 365 days, man. Life can change 365 days. Watch hours. We had a total of 295.96. So just round it up. 296 hours watched. 296. Let's just do 296 hours is like almost a week and a half. Week and a half of hours somebody watching me. A week and a half. And appreciate you. Niggas watch me for a week and a half. Shit, change your life and mine's. We had active 200 out of 365 days. Look. This is hey. Out of 365 days, chat. We posted on 288 days. That's past great. That's insane. That's insane. This nigga almost didn't take a day off. And I'm talking about that's the human post, like that's human posting or scheduling one person.
The only reason you did take days off was
BS that it could have still got avoided. I'm sure if I still would have just said fuck that, I still could have just locked in. But man, that's still beautiful. 288 days out of 365 days. That's how many times individual days were posted. YouTube impressions. That's crazy. Look. I told y'all the views, right? The impressions, though, 211,000. How did it even work? Views don't even make sense. But the impressions, that mean y'all like talking to me and I like running my mouth back to y'all. Got 63 new subscribers. YouTube in that time frame. Thank y'all. Every one of the last one of y'all. What I do want to say is I did the math also as well. That's an average of 5.5 posts a day on 365 time span. If I add up all the posts that I did together, TikTok, Instagram, all that, about 3,000 some posts, 3,000, 5 to 6 times a day. 5 to 6 times a day. That's how they saying I average a post. Right now we doing about 10 to 11. We like literally for the last month, 2 months, we've been posting about 10 to 11 times a day. So I can see where, yeah, the consistency has breeded a whole new thing in me. But man, I just want to get those numbers out the way to say, if you don't want your producer dancing all in your videos, come on, Jim. Hey, something wrong with this man. Nah, for real though. Like, if you love what you heard, like I just said, over 600,000, 700,000 total views in 1 year across all my platforms. Across all, and that's not even the streaming boys. I didn't even get to really just find out that that's just main. So what I'm saying is, if you like what you heard, over 600,000 views over multiple platforms. I didn't do my Facebook. So we got over 1 million views in 1 year.